Hello friends, today we are going to see uh, nested loop, nested while loop. It's most important loop. So if you want to build the program with the patterns, you need these nested loops. So already we discussed the basic style of while loop. So now we are going with nested while loop. So this is a simple iteration how the nested while loop is works. Just I am taking the outer loop index 1. So just I am putting it is less than or equal to 3, the outer loop index, then it will print here the outer loop index. Then inner loop I am entering index. So inner loop, just I am starting inner loop. Just it can be directly outer loop. Sometimes it can be uh, direct range value. Anything can be. So what happen? First it will run. So this input will be passed over here. If we are using this index variable here, then what we'll do? We will do the increment. Then what happen? The loop will continue. Once it's failed, then it will come and the outer loop begins again and it can start continue. That's the way the inner loop and outer loop, the communication will happen and start continue working on it. Okay, just it's simple iteration. Just give me, let's put it in the um, straightforward method first. Okay, this independent loop now. So this first it will outer loop, it will check, and inner loop it will check independently. So and it passes. So let's see how it's working. Okay, so first program 0 0 system running first program. See if you see it's a nested while loop. So outer loop first executing, then it's coming inner loop. So inner loop 3 times because see uh, then it's each time while coming the see first what happening first outer loop is running means it's starting here, then it's printing here, then it's coming here. This loop index it's 1, then it's less than 3, then incrementing 2 3, this is 3 time, then it's exceeding, then it's inner loop 3, then it's going here and it's passing here, then it's second, then it's printing 2, then here the again it's 3 times. Okay, so that's the way it's printing. um, uh, First inner loop, outer loop, then 3 times inner loop. Second is outer loop, 3 times inner loop, and outer loop, then 3 times inner loop. Because always we are reinitializing the inner loop one. Okay, okay, that's why it's going 3 times. Okay, that's the way. Uh, Once inner loop finish, then outer loop will continue. That's the way we can. So how we can build pattern in this. Okay, example, if you see this one, just I am just printing the uh, so here if you pass this one, what will happen that time? So if it's 1, then it will run 1 time. If it's 2, the inner loop run 2 times. If 3, it will run 3 times. That's the way outer loop once, that many times is the inner loop. That's the way this is the program I have changed. This outer loop index I am passing to inner loop. Then what happened? How many times the range outer loop index value, that many time it will repeat and it will go out and it will see. So just we are running the program to see how it's happening. So this time running it. See. So I'm just entering the start range. Example 1. It starts. So outer loop 1. Okay. So the 1. Okay. So just I'm giving 3. So first time it 1, second time 2, third time it's 3. See what happened? Outer loop first time it's coming 1. So because I am entering 3 range. So inner loop 2 it's running once, then outer loop it's coming 2. So inner loop 2 times, outer loop 3, then inner loop 3. That's the way if we pass the outer loop range into inner loop, then it's behaved this way. Let's see how we can build some pattern using this. Okay, this is the one of the program. See here what I am doing. I am taking input pattern, then I am passing that and that index. Then this one is see always the outer loop. It will be the rows like um 1, 2, 3, 4. The inner loop it's always column. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the way it will come. Okay, just I am going with um, printing the pattern. Okay, so just running this program. This is a program 04 and this program 04. See if I am printing 4. See, if you see it's printing the square pattern. So 4 into 4. See if we see here, just I am in the space for clarity. So 5 into 5. So how it's printing? Example, what happening here? I'm taking the input pattern, that pattern. So it's a row and it's the column. Just I am printing this one. So every time I am initializing the column on index, then it's incrementing, and once it's done, then I am getting row index. That's the way I am looping it till the pattern. So if input range is same for column and row, it will give square pattern. Okay. Now what will happen if we are giving input pattern and out example? Sometimes what happen, if sometimes they will ask, so this pattern we printed, so instead of plus, sometimes the interviews they ask star. So just if we put star, then it will come as a star. So sometimes what happen, they will ask to print um, values. 12 into 12, this row, the multiple multiplication table pattern. So those kind of scenario, what we can do, example, we can do what we can do. Just we will multiply row index star column index. Just I'm putting row index and column index. Just see I am in 5. See if it's multiply 1, 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6. This kind of pattern also we can, right? Sometimes interviews they will ask. So means if it's the direct question for nested while loop, taking the input pattern, row and column is the same. So if we give um, uh, row value high, okay. So let's if now always we are taking only one input pattern. Example, we will uh, take it's a row. Okay, yeah, row index. I'm taking the row, then it's giving this way. Okay, let's go with one more pattern. If we pass, see if we pass row and column. Example, if see this is a row range and I am passing column range, then how it's behave. Example, If you see here, device is program number 07. See, if you see here 07, see, if I am running 5 and 5, then it's square. If example, if first one is I am giving 10, the column is 5, then it will give this rectangle pattern. If you are running row small, column big, then horizontal. This kind of pattern we can run it, we can build it. Okay, so instead of star, if I give the number, it will print number, plus, then it will print plus. So based on that, we can print it. It's two-dimensional plan it is. Okay, this is the way we can print dimension. So sometimes what happen, they will ask this kind of pattern, rectangle pattern, or sorry, only center empty, those kind of patterns. These kind of pattern also we have this, just this is the starting row and starting column, and its ending row, its ending column. Those range, it's having the star, rest of this is not. Just instead of while with if else, it will sum. So here just I am checking column index first one, or column equal range index, or row index one, or row index equal to row range. It means I am just checking this end final column or row, then I am printing star, else I am printing empty space. So that's the way we can print this kind of patterns. This is 08 script, just I am running. So just I am printing I see just. So if you want to print a rectangle 10, right, this way. So same script we can use it wisely. So 5, 10. This way. So just while loop, using nested while loop, we can print multiple combination. If you want to print this kind of pattern, so means this crash and this crash star remaining place empty last, and then we have this formula. This formula just is one formula extra. Center already know. Then just row index equal to column index, and column index equal to row range minus row index plus one. This is the one formula, fixed formula. If we put this one, then we will be getting this pattern. Okay, this is the one we will be getting it. Just I am running 09. So just 10, see this and the pattern. So this kind of pattern, say example like interview point of view, if they get questions like how to print this kind of pattern, use the while loop, nested while loop, and if else conditions, then achieve this logic. Okay. Thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe my channel, and please share your feedback and comment. Stay connected to more videos. Thank you so much.